Hey, are you really want to make money using Claude? So see, in this video, I am going to break down how you can earn lots of money using Claude. A complete PDF I have created this. If you want this PDF, so check out link in description. So today I want to break down how you can make lots of money using Claude. Let's see. So first here come. So there are only three different ways through which you can make lots of money. First is your content and SEO. How Claude is very much helpful for the creation of content and SEO. I am telling you. This PDF you are looking now. This PDF is totally created by the Claude. This research I have done by the Claude, and the description I will write for this YouTube video is also I will use Claude. Then why are you not using? And this micro SaaS. So one over content and SEO over. Second your micro SaaS app. You can create a small SaaS app using it. I have created pen finder app where it will help you to find the pen of the problem, pen of the people and solution. I have created this app without coding. No, without coding, without writing a single line of code. Just given I want to find the app or I want to build an app that solve the real problem of the people who are in this niche, and it provided me a detailed amazing what MCP, and I created it. So some example you see: grant finder app, WordPress AI tool, niche tracker, many more are available. You can create a Cal AI, calorie tracker. Then your last is your digital product. This digital product is amazing. Just you can create a simple ebook on the problem that is faced by the lots of people and sell online. I am also created my digital product, so please go and check it out in the description. You will get much value. It contains what 40 prompt which will make you millionaire. How to start, how to implement, how to distribute, and how to manage. Everything available, so go and check it out. Similarly, you can create what Notion template, Amazon KDP, and puzzle. So see, everyone can do these all things, but if you are weak in marketing and distribution, then your product is not going to reach out. That's why if you build an idea, then learn how to market and distribute. If you are know how to use Claude for marketing and distribution, then you are going to make lots of money. So my secret weapon, what I use in Claude, I use Claude Skills in the Claude. Very important. So first I give him a basic prompt. I will tell him what he should do. Direct. That your work is to create a content, then you write a content on this. Second, I will provide some context. I will research that whose script or whose video is well performing. I will convert that into a context file, then I will provide it to the Claude. Second, tone guidance. In which tone? If I will copy the other people's tone, then it will come to copyright issue. That's why I will provide my tone, that you should write with high pitch, low means what, low pitch, then with engaging example, then it will understand completely. So this is your basic Claude skill. So what is a pro tip from me? Claude skills are basically replacing standard like Fiverr and Upwork gig. Can you understand? Then now workflow A. How you can build a software without a code. First, you have to find an idea. If you are facing difficulty in finding an idea, I have a free tool link in the description. Go and check it out. In any niche you are, finance, money, health, there are many ideas available. Go and build. Use Claude Code to with natural language that I want to build this app. We solve this solution. We solve this problem. It will create an amazing app. Then text and iterate. So paste error back to your Claude and let AI will fix everything. At last, ship it. So the era of entitled software engineer is changing. Anyone can build anything. Now workflow B, the SEO content machine. What is this? So first, what you have to provide? Some tone of voice and talk, like analyze from your past writing, how you write, how you say, give to Claude. Mini sitemap like CSV or pages to link to it, give to them. Experience and doc, real case studies and numbers, give to a Claude. And see, AI plus real data will magic never let you calculate SEO data and chain together 23 different skills like mark docs, and it will provide you a human like SEO optimized blog post. How amazing it is. Now workflow C, selling digital product. This is my best advice to you if you are beginner or if you are starting a business. Start with selling digital product. Here you can create low content data, and you can earn lots of money. Just you can create Notion template, high demand, easy to design, and using AI planning. What are the pros and con? What high piracy means what privacy risks. Digital files are easily copied. But what how you can fix? Add watermark, unique IDs, and offer 1 year free updates to buyers. How you can start Amazon KDP means you will create a book or physical book. No, you have to create only a digital book on the online. It will create on the Amazon. It will publish in the Amazon. Means create low content puzzle books, gratitude journal, AI generated word list, or trivia instantly. Cons extremely crowded. Means very what busy area this is because lots of people are doing this one. So package a template with good documentation to avoid drowning in customer support emails. Then what are the legal and copyright reality check? If you are using Anthropic, what are the main key points you should remember to see? Whatever thing you will produce in the Claude, you can easily use without any copyright issue. What are the yellow data? So what are the yellow? It requires effort. Like in USA copyright registration, prompting along is not enough. Requires 20 to 35 plus documented human edits to prove creative control. If you want to create a creative data or creative app, then you totally do not rely on prompting. You should give some real data that how this app is performing, how other app is performing, what are the problem, what is the red alert. So faking human authorship, like don't claim a human wrote 100% of the text if laws require AI disclosure. If you are doing anything, if they are data given that whether you have written this from AI or not, then give him genuine answer that yes, I wrote from AI. If you are telling that no, it is totally 100% human generated, then it is not the correct process. What are the golden rule for prompting? See, so don't tell to anyone. Give 3 to 5 high quality example of what you want. First, you research how your content should look and what your content should do. So after researching it, find 3 to 5 high quality example and paste in the clone. Use XML tag, means wrap your example in example tag and use Claude. Doesn't get confused. Tell it what to do instead of what not to do. Use adaptive thinking, like let Claude use the effort parameter to think through what complex code or math. Track stats for coding. Use Git or track changes and save checkpoints. What are the clarification I want to Git equals to version control for? So my final example that the 90 to 10% rule, AI will get you 90% completion, but you have to do 10%. So use tool where they lie, like Claude Chrome extension for browser updates. Don't quit your day job today, but start building tonight. Means with the 9 to 5 job, you can also proceed this. So for today this much. So how's the video? Please give comment. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and we'll meet on next video. For that, bye.